Other than BIGME releasing the same 10.3-inch Kaleido panel on multiple units, there has only been one color e-reader released this entire year, the Onyx Nova Air C. Compare that to 2021, where nearly 10 color devices were released. So this was a better time than any for the up-and-comer Hyread out of Taiwan to get their release in. So here it is, the Hyread Gaze Note Plus C. This is a 7.8-inch color e-reader with Google Play, Android 11, 32 gigs onboard storage, and an SD card slot. It also has a Wacom note-taking layer. This thing is using the older shells of the Boyu products created by Jezitech that have since been abandoned when Boyu became their own OEM. I'm not sure how much of an unboxing this will be, but let's look at the box right now. This is really nice, guys. I know they are using the older shells, but they have done their own thing on the box. It's textured, it's multi-layered. All of the actual text is raised. This is a stickier, shinier kind of rainbow plastic they put on there. It is a very nice box, and the Hyread logo and the information is on the back as well as the side. And here it is right here, the inner box. The inner box has been done too. This is all raised as well. And the back, not a lot of people do the bottom tray. On the back of the bottom tray inside the sleeve, why would you even logo that, basically? No, this is above and beyond work, it really is. And they're, of course, Taiwan, they're using the wax paper instead of plastic, so it's translucent / transparent. You see the design kind of goes away as you raise it, but if you sandwich it like that, you can see through it. This is great, and this is an absolute necessary way of cutting down on our use of plastic. Put that off to the side, and let's look at the rest of the box. They should have the same stylus as the other one, which is a really nice stylus, actually. So here it is. The stylus looks like it has an eraser. The manual is even color. This is phenomenal, honestly. And they put the serial number on the device inside the manual so that you know it'll correspond with the one on the box and the bottom sticker. So we should have a USB-C in here, and actually, there is no stylus because their styluses come separate, I believe. Yes, we have confirmed the stylus has come in a different box. It's an individual stylus box. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is so, for us, this is so weird. Holding old Boyu stuff, essentially, with a color screen. This is so crazy. We have an SD card on the slot. An SD card with color, with note-taking, with Google Play. I mean, Android 11. You cannot ask for more than that. That's hitting a lot of boxes. Nothing on this side, stereo speakers on the bottom. This backing is a little bit of a gripe for me. It's not the highest quality back plastic. You can see we wash our hands and we alcohol our hands for the video shoots before each showing, and you can see just in opening the box, the natural oils from the human body, of course, just absolutely plastered all over the back of this device. There's no texture to it. It is decently grippy, but man, does that show fingerprints like there's no tomorrow. And you have a power button up top with a built-in status indicator light, I'm assuming, USB-C on the bottom, and we will do a first-time boot up just to show you guys what's going on, but we will obviously reserve the rest of that for the full review. Also, good on Taiwan for giving you 2 pages of languages. That's really nice. Looks like you have Korean, you have some sort of Russian / Ukrainian, you do have Vietnamese. Boyu devices have been really big in Vietnam. I'm not sure specifically why. As you can see, there's no Malaysian or any other Indonesian or anything, but specifically Vietnamese is on there. And there you have it, all color, all note-taking. You have your beautiful colors right there. You can go to the home menu, you can look at all your fun stuff, all the colors kind of bleep and bloop around. They've done some things like add different colors to the background of some thumbnails, the headers up top. Very nice experience so far. Fully loaded device here, everybody. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Hyread Gaze Note Plus C. Mouthful of a name right there, but stay tuned for the full review coming from GoodEReader.com.